So guys, I didn't even vlog this morning. I had a hair appointment today and also I got a free ticket to today break. It's now 9 minutes to 3. I'm told that the party is supposedly gonna finish at 4 or 5 o'clock, so I may get an hour or two. My hair appointment was priority. Like I said, I don't even get to vlog my hair appointment. I'm like a few minutes away from the event. Oh, tight. It's tight, man. Tight. I'm a few minutes away from the event. My friend who got me the ticket, she's already there with one of our other friends, or a group of our other friends. But yeah, the ear nice. Talks in the ear just saw. Like gonna have a talk to our really nice when we come to talk about the lady. We're gonna have to talk about her first name, middle name, and last name. Cause Swin always flat and shit on coin. I don't even have on my seatbelt. This is how horrible it is. But I just have us park, Cam. I just have to say us park. I just a park pass. Like the words are moving faster than how they're coming out. So I'm just passing a park camp, which is a soldier camp, to go to Sabina Park to go to the party. Everybody who asked if I was going, I told them it was so. But I guess I am going. I would have gotten there earlier, but there was an issue at the hairdresser with my hair. I made it nonetheless, so I'm making it nonetheless. You gotta be optimistic about this. I really wish I had started my vlog earlier, but that's not that. This party was really not planned. It was one of the holiday parties. Like, it was not on the list of holiday parties. Matter of fact, I want party dependent, 2 party dependent list of holiday parties, and that's river and brunch. And those are both Zimmy events because I really enjoy them. Everything else is like iffy. Like, will I enjoy it? Will I not enjoy it? And those 2 parties I enjoy extensively, so I always get out the way, bro. I always enjoy those 2 events, so I prioritize them, even if it's not a priority, because man, no, I have no clothes to eat at the event then. But yeah, so anyways, I can see this place right now. I can see Sabina Park right now. Parking is gonna be a bitch for me because I don't know where I'm parking. But yeah, anyways guys, I'll link you back when I'm inside the party.
Yo, Matt. Yo, everybody look on the stage. Come recognize your beer cuteness and go on the bro. Everybody put up your hands so in the ear.
Promise me no see the gang with your road up on my body. Now watch your pretty face when you open up my body.
Ladies, that's when the fun man. 3 more songs. Alright then. Skin out the die. No, you never turn our song. We have turn our song.
Me have something to say.
We have your mother up to the back of.
Bad piece of fuck them.
Ready again.
Keep
on your toes, get up. Feet down. Big up to the girls, I know say you're up to but if I put a rock with your body back, that one on.
If me have it.
Sing it out. Don't wanna let you off my baby. Just like the day that I let you, the day I know I said that you love me, but that'll last whenever it's cold outside. Like when you walked out my life, why you walked out my life? You like this every time. All these. Yeah. Because it's Christmas time, and who know what watching pajamas want Christmas gift. Hey, play some song. Yo, Starlight, everybody sing the water. Where do you go? Oh, baby, why can't you come on and let us play? When are you going to come my way? Jesus Christ. Over there. What are the things they've been telling you? I got to stop them from compelling you. They just won't stop me from getting you. Hold on. I'm telling you, all me knows that woman are one of the wickedest things Father God created on this land here. Watch them a go stone me now. Watch them a go stone me now. You know why me say woman are the wickedest thing since God made this living earth when me hear the song now. Ladies, sing the one here. Sing. Choir set it. Ladies, fireman, the ladies up there. Run forward up there, cause the vibe slap me, you know. Me there for work it, I know. Fireman. Run it again. See how you never from 2020 me and your part. Yeah. Never see I'm a brother for life. Yeah. So like coming there with your party at daybreak and the first time with your daybreak. Yeah. They go party one kind of win at daybreak. Jump. And then the east side chop off of it with the chopper. Jump, east side chopper. tree. Not 24 a star. I am not going there with a rich money. That's simple, me say. Live life, put traffic in, pack it in. Yeah, from the entrepreneur, and the money that have. Me don't like that part.
Not in the rain, my father. Yeah, my father. Yeah, my father.
Why me not shut the work, please?
Later.